This is the most worth it IEM to get in 2026, the Kefine Klean SV. Inside the box, you are getting the IEMs, the cable, 6 ear tips, and a very good sturdy carrying case. For the ear tips, you get 2 different colors and each comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. By default, it comes with the medium tips installed. Moving on to the build, material, and comfort. Design-wise, it's clean and minimal. Not flashy, not cheap looking either. The shells feel solid and this is a metallic build, most likely aluminum alloy. It is quite heavy but not annoying. In fact, the slight weight actually helps it sit more securely in the ear. Comfort-wise, this is where it surprised me. I've been using this for more than 4 hours a day, and honestly, I barely feel it in my ears. I personally have a small ear canal, so I swap to the smallest tips. And after that, the fit is just perfect. In comfort, no complaints at all. Moving on to the sound overview. This is where the Klean SV really stands out for the price. It's not for bass heads, you're not getting huge slam here. But it's tight, accurate, and doesn't bleed into the mids. Mids are very well done too. Vocals sound natural, clear, and well positioned. Treble is actually tuned really well here. It has enough sparkle to keep things interesting, but it doesn't come off as sharp and fatiguing. Compared to the original Kefine Klean, the SV has a slightly warmer treble, which makes it easier to listen to. And overall, it sounds more neutral and balanced. The SV is a better pick than the original one. It is just $5 to $10 more expensive than the original one. And because this is a 2026 release, you're getting updated tuning, newer driver tech, and overall refinement compared to the older budget IEMs. Who is this for? This is great for someone who wants balance, clean sound, enjoys vocals, and values comfort for long listening sessions. Although, if we are nitpicking for this budget range, there will be some downsides like the bass might feel too light for some people, but honestly, for the price, this is one of the most worth it IEMs right now. You're getting solid metal build, excellent long-term comfort, clean balanced tuning, and a safe, enjoyable treble. That's it for this one. Let me know what you think and what I should review next. Subscribe.